Good morning, friends. Today I again discuss about the appreciation. Appreciation is not a simple word. It belongs to progress. It belongs to motivate. It belongs to find out the inner qualities, inner potentiality of a human being. Mother Teresa says, a human being required a hunger. He is a hunger for love and appreciation more than bread. Means in a life of human being, a appreciation plays a very important role. In a management study, a management has studies on more than 200 companies. They appreciate the employee, motivate them by finding his inner qualities. They are able to get maximum output from that employee. An employee required? Employee required a good atmosphere, the care of his attitude in his company, a good daily wages, motivation, appreciation, royalty from company, job security from company. This all thing, if we arrange this all thing in a ascending order, we will get that appreciation plays a very important role to reveals the potentiality of a employee. Appreciations are there are more than three types. There are auditory appreciation, there are visual appreciation, there are kinesthetic appreciation. In a auditory appreciation, a human being required or satisfied with a in a visual, he is satisfied with cards, emails, flower pots, greetings, love letters. All these are included in a visual appreciation. In an auditory appreciation, employees are satisfied with telephonic discussion, personal discussion, and find and get a more satisfied by personal meetings. In a kinesthetic appreciation, a handshake, a pat on the back, a hugging, these all things include in a kinesthetic appreciation. How we will get the maximum output from by appreciation? Appreciation makes a more vibrational level in a human being. They make a maximum potentiality by getting that vibrational level, and a employee forget their complaints regarding to company, regarding to job, and focus on the productivity. So appreciation also, self appreciation is also required to get more and more output. So these all are things included in appreciation. I have trying to discuss regarding to this field, try to clear according to me in a maximum level, and I understand that I have cleared this subject. Thank you.